how to get quality leads to your landing pages, what are the best traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Emmanuel, and today I want to talk about the best ways of getting organic traffic to your affiliate offers. So one of the best sources of getting organic traffic to your offer is from social media. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. These are the top 4 organic traffic sources that can get you good conversions and sales. Now you might want to ask me, Emmanuel, how do I use Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube to get leads to my offer? I'll try to summarize this in this video. I'll make subsequent videos on each of these platforms to give more in-depth explanation on how to funnel the traffic from these sites to your affiliate offers and your landing. Now let's get to it. Now bear in mind, I'm talking of free methods here, not talking paid ads. I'll make a separate video for that. But free methods of using and funneling traffic from these social media sites to your affiliate offers. So now I'll start with Facebook. So for Facebook, image posts, content posts are the order of the day for user interaction and audience retention. Now I say this because of the Facebook feed. If you take a closer look at the Facebook feeds, it's optimized for images and content. Get that right, images and content. And Facebook drives traffic to posts based on user interaction and comments. It's a comment-based social media network. So if you're going to get a lot of traffic from Facebook, you have to trigger engagement. Engagement in terms of comments, in terms of interactions, in terms of shares. Okay, so that's for Facebook. Now, how do I use traffic from this site? Facebook groups. Now, Facebook groups are so powerful because you have people that have a common interest coming into a group to interact and to form a community. So either you create yours or you find one. Now hear this straight. Not all Facebook groups are created equal. Depending on your niche, depending on who you're targeting, some Facebook groups are better than others. I personally prefer to go for paid private Facebook groups to look for my potential audience and my ideal customer. Okay, now if you join private Facebook groups which are paid, you have more likelihood of getting potential clients that are going to buy into your offer. Now, a second way to get good traffic from Facebook is through your personal profile. If you optimize your profile, you filter your friends list, you could get good sales conversions off the back of your timeline. Now get this, never hard sell on your timeline. Okay, your personal profile and timeline is not a marketplace, and friends could get turned off if you do hard selling. So there are techniques to project your offer on your timeline. I'll make a separate video on this to show you how to optimize your profile step by step and how to make your posts so that you could pitch your ideas and your offers to your friends in a way that doesn't feel or sound offensive. And another effective way of getting good traffic from Facebook is from Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is so powerful because you interact with your leads one-on-one, you get to know what their pain points are, you get to diagnose and prescribe at the same time and close a sale. Okay, now just like I said for your timeline, the Facebook Messenger is not a marketplace. The golden rule is to avoid hard selling. As an affiliate marketer, because of the competitive nature of the market these days, the best way to close clients is to solve their problems. It's not to sell them some product or give them some blind pitch. It's to find out what their pain points are and prescribe a solution for their problems. Instagram. Now, Instagram is highly optimized for photo and image galleries. So if you know how to play around with images and photos to capture the attention of your audience to your niche or your affiliate offer, boom, you're going to be a champion. You can make sales right off the back of your Instagram profile. So by posting images, photos, short videos, capture the attention of your audience and get them to your affiliate offer. Now get it, guys. People are crushing it with Instagram, especially with physical products. I've seen people who do not have any websites make daily sales of their products from Instagram. So it's a wonderful traffic source. It's a wonderful way to advertise your products. Just need to know how to play around with images and photos to capture the attention of your audience. YouTube. YouTube is the second biggest search engine after Google. So people are going to YouTube to type, how do I train my dog? How do I lose weight? How do I gain muscle? How do I make money online? So many how-tos, how do I's. If you create a video that answers the question to these problems, you will get good organic traffic. Now, there are lots of videos on YouTube. So if you're going to succeed with YouTube marketing, you have to get the right keywords and create good video content that solves the problems of your potential customer. So to gain traction with YouTube for rankings, choose the right keywords. Make sure your title, your thumbnail, the first sentence in your video, and what you write in the description capture your keywords so you could be found in the searches on page 1 of YouTube and Google. TikTok. Now, TikTok is an entertainment-based social media platform targeted at a younger audience. So if you make short video, capture their attention within the first 3 seconds, make it funny, make it engaging, and you will crush it with TikTok. Now remember, most people on TikTok are going there for entertainment purposes. So you need to capture their attention within the first 3 seconds, and you need to create your video content in a marketing way that is funny and that can appeal to them, so that they can visit your affiliate offer in your bio. Now, TikTok doesn't allow you to place clickable links in the description box, but you can place it in your bio. So when you make a video, always remember to direct them to follow your bio or to click the link in your bio. Now, this TikTok strategy could also be applied to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Stories. Capture the attention within the first 3 seconds. The longer form videos, make sure you add images, text, B-roll, make it interesting, make it a little funny and entertaining, and you will get good traffic to your affiliate offers. So that's it for this video. I will make other videos on each of these platforms to understand better their algorithm and how to maximize them to your advantage. Now, if you got value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button. You might want to stay subscribed, so hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I release the next video. So thank you for watching, God bless, and see you in the next video.